You guys might have to be sister wives, because if I could marry two products, it would be these two. These two together. Hi, I'm Sofia Bryant, and this is Masked and Answered with Marie Claire. I'm going to be answering some questions while putting on my favorite face mask, Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Because I've been slacking with my skincare ever since we started quarantining, so I really need this. I love this. It feels super cooling. So my morning routine, wash my face. In the morning, I use the Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser because I find that it isn't very stripping. Like, I like to still keep that moisture in from when I've slept, because I use a lot of moisturizers when I go to sleep. So I like to still kind of keep my skin moisturized and supple and all that good stuff. This is my Luminette Gospel Bessie. It's like a toner, and it's nice because it's very gentle. And then I go in with my concentrate. So yeah, that's basically what I do in the morning. What is my favorite at-home beauty ritual? I don't like to just do one thing. I think that everything goes in steps. What I do love, like one of my favorite things to put on, is this low pH BHA overnight mask. It's an overnight mask, but I use it as a moisturizer sometimes, especially when I'm like going out for a long day, because it really sits nicely on my skin. It doesn't leave residue and it absorbs super quickly. This is one of my favorite ways to kind of take dullness out of my skin. How do I deal with acne or unwanted pimples? What is my zit fighting routine? So like I said, I do usually get most of my acne when I'm traveling, especially when I'm flying, because that recycled air just does not agree with my skin. So what I like to do, like literally I use this mask whenever I feel something like coming up. And like I said, I use this on the plane. You're gonna look crazy, but you're gonna look good. Weirdest thing I'd ever put on my face was hummus. And I'm not saying like, you know, I made the hummus, like I blended it up myself, like hummus, like hummus. One of my favorite ways to unwind after a long day in general is just drinking tea. Tea is super good for you. I am like a tea hoarder. I love all kinds of tea. I love matcha. I love it all. It's my favorite thing to do. And I'm more of a skincare, makeup, or hair person. I would say all of it. I definitely focus heavily on my skincare, but I love makeup. I'm into it. I love it all. My nighttime skincare routine. I use the Midnight Recovery Concentrate in the evening. What I do is I will start again with my Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser just to take off any makeup I've had throughout the day. Then I go in with natural, like authentic African black soap. So this is my literal brick of soap. And PSA, this is what African black soap looks like. It is not black. It is not a perfect cylinder. It's brown and grainy and has a bunch of good things for you. Then what I'll do is I will go in with my Gospel Bessie, my toner, and do the whole shebang. And then I will go in with the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. This was tied for first with the C Day Firma, which I love. I've used it for so long. It's just their orange version of this. It's the vitamin C one. And then once that seeps into my skin, my Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado. Yeah, and then I do my concentrate. And then I go to sleep. When do I feel most beautiful? Straight out of the shower or when I'm wearing sunglasses. Rapid fire round. Who is my go-to facialist or esthetician? YouTube or my mom? All-time favorite SPF. I'm passionate about this specific sunscreen. This is the Glossier Invisible Shield. It has an SPF of 35. What I really like about it is that I can't sweat this off. And what I really love about this is that it's invisible. Lip balm or lip gloss? Tinted moisturizer or foundation? Foundation, because if I feel like I want to go for that look, I'm not gonna go for a tinted moisturizer. I'm gonna go for foundation. Dry, oily, or combination? Combination, but in the winter I tend to be more dry, and in the summer I tend to be a little bit more oily. Favorite beauty wellness supplement? My True Glow. I love my True Glow vitamins. These are my gummies. They are just these kind of hair, skin, nail vitamins, but they're especially good for curly hair. What I love about them is that they're vegetarian and gluten and dairy free and gelatin free. Lightweight or heavy moisturizer. Lightweight in the summer, heavy, 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 heavy in the winter, because I live in New York and it gets cold. Skincare minimalist or maximalist? Maximalist. Okay, so this is feeling pretty dry, so I'm gonna go wash this off. I love this feeling. My skin feels so clean right now. That's it. This was so fun. Make sure to subscribe to Marie Claire. It's your turn to go do a face mask. Go sit, go relax, go drink some tea. Let us know what mask you're doing in the comments, and thanks for hanging out with me.